Hello everyone, I am back again. I am Harshit and I am back again with a new course or the new topic, and the topic today is cross-site scripting. So what basically is an XSS, the cross-site scripting attack? So XSS attack is a type of injection in which malicious scripts are injected into otherwise any trusted or benign website. XSS attacks occur when attacker uses a web application to send malicious code, generally in the form of a browser side script, to a different end user. So now we will see how we can exploit the cross-site scripting and what basically it is. So we will open a website that is vulnhub.com. This is the website testphp.vulnhub.com. So this website basically is meant to be practicing the attacks. Okay, so basically this website was made so that people like us, like you, like me, can come and practice for free. So how we can check for cross-site scripting? So what the basic concept behind cross-site scripting is? Okay, so let's go to sign up page, and I click on sign up. So I can see I have like here 10 fields of username, passwords, retype password, name, credit card number, etc. So let's register here. I give my name as A, the password as 123456, the retype password 123456. I add my name as hi, the credit card number is something random, this is my email, my random phone number, and my random address. So when I go and click on sign up, what we see that every detail which we entered is being reflected on the website itself. What does this mean? This clearly means that whatever we are entering in the website, in the search bar or in the sign up page or anywhere, it is being stored somewhere on the server so that it can reflect back. So if we go and check the page source, we can see that our address is reflected here, and the username is reflected here, the password is reflected here. So everything is reflecting. So let me show you one more thing. When we go here .ml, we can go and easily see what happens at the back end when we enter something in the front end. So this is my input field. So let's input hello. So when I am inputting hello, this reflects on the website as this hello, and what is happening in the background is this thing. When I am entering something, it is getting changed here in the value field. Okay, so I am entering anything and it is getting stored here. Okay, so what if I give double quotes and ending here? So this thinks that the input field has been closed, and if I enter anything here, this will be executed. Okay, let's understand this again. Okay, so this is the basic value field where the value is closed using a double quotes and angular bracket closing. So I entered something and it is getting stored in between of these two double quotes. So what if I entered a double quote and a single angular bracket closing? The input tag behaves as like it is closed, but it actually is not, and now we can enter anything and this will be executed. This can be executed. So what if I go and I write a simple script to pop up something? This will be okay. So what we need to do is we need to prompt one. So if we prompt 1, we will see. Okay, so it says you won. Why it says you won is that we executed this prompt one script. It says this prompt one script in between of these texts. So this is what happens here. So we can see that between this li and li close tag a exists, our input is going. So what we can do is, what if we simply give here a script, a malicious script, so it will basically gets executed. How will this happen? Let's see. So let's give one script here. Let's see, bit script. And we close this. Let's enter the same credentials everywhere. Oh shit, let's enter the same credential everywhere so that we can see how many pop-ups we get. Okay, and I clicked on sign up, and I can see that this reflects this is for username, and it says this website has been hacked. Again, for password field it says this website has been hacked. For name field it says the website has been hacked. For address field, for each and individual field it says that this thing has been hacked. So what if I give a different domain name or a login form or anything like that to the user, and they will they will pretend like I am visiting this website, it is safe, but they are not. The JavaScript being executed is by our end, and people will end up being tricked. So this is basically cross-site scripting. Let's hunt for somewhere else. Okay, so this is test. Let's search for test, and it says test. Okay, now we can go and search for view source, and if we go to view source and we search for test, we see that our test is being reflected between h2 tags. So now what we can do is, we can go back and we can try executing some script here, and bang, we got our script executed at the home search bar of the home page. Okay, so this is how it happens. Okay, we can do many things from here. So we can go to like your profile page, and here I have a login page. Here I can try. I have our guestbook page. Here is like add a message. What if I give the script here? It will be executed. So from an anonymous user, a script has been executed to the server. So this is all for the cross-site scripting. Let's meet in our next session. Thank you so much.